Here they come now. Perfect.
Whoa, that was crazy.
You know what this means?
Not really.
Guys, we've been selected for the elite task force.
No way.
All right, enough goofing off. Everybody fall in. We're setting up an interagency task force of the best kid cops from every different division of police work. We've got Tristan from the SWAT team. We've got Charlotte from Major Crimes. And we've got Clay from Traffic. But if you guys are going to be part of the new Kid Cops Interagency Task Force team, there's some tests that you have to pass first. First, we have to test your intelligence. Pay close attention.
Okay, we're all ears.
As I was going to St. Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Each wife had 7 sacks. Every sack had 7 cats. Every cat had 7 kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, wives. How many were going to St. Ives?
It was 28 because 7 times
7
4.
times 4 is 28.
They had 7 wives, 7 sacks, and each sack had 7 cats. And every cat had 7 kittens, so 28.
Alright guys, is everything.
So 28.
Are you sure about that? Think about it, guys. Who's going to St. Ives? The riddle is how many people are going to St. Ives. So that's 1.
So, we've got the answer. There were 7 wives, 7 sacks, and each sack had 7 cats, and each cat had 7 kittens. But no, that was all a distraction. The answer is 1. Only 1 person was going to St. Ives.
Good job, guys. You've proven that you can't be distracted by irrelevant information. It's time for the second test. This one is a test of your shooting skills. Here are your weapons.
What about me?
There you go.
Where are you getting all this stuff?
It's Elite Task Force stuff. Begin.
I think this needs to be calibrated.
Well done on the shooting. Awesome job. The next test is a test of speed. We need to make sure that you're fast enough to catch any criminals that you might come across. You have to run from that line to that tree to that car and back to that line in 1.5 seconds. Begin.
We did it.
Kids, well done on speed. I'm surprised that you passed. It's on to the next test. It's not just about speed or intelligence or shooting skill. You have to have something special. The Elite Task Force intuition of someone who can function without all of their senses.
Here goes nothing.
Not bad.
Haha, let's see how they do with this. Impressive. Aha! I see you have the intuition. I think you're ready to join the task force.
What a fool. Sorry, police chief.
Perfect timing, guys. We got a call. The blue-shirted thief has stolen the chief's car.
Oh no.
You guys gonna have to track him down.
All right, guys, this is what we're here for.
Don't forget your training. Go to.
Let's go. Yep, these are definitely the tire tracks.
He was just here. I can smell him. That's some good senses.
Don't forget our training. We can solve this puzzle.
Right, yeah. They lead down there.
He must have taken it off down the hill.
Good detective's tales. We're the elite task force yet.
Ready to use some super speed?
So they've assigned Kid Cop Special Task Force, huh? They must be desperate. Let's see. There'll be no match for my invisible energy balls.
Ow! What is it? What is it? Ow! Oh no, it's invisible ammunition. Everyone take cover. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you remember our training? What do you mean?
We caught things blindfolded. We have to use our intuition.
I'm not concentrating.
They'll never figure it out.
Charlotte, to your right.
Reveal.
What? How are they seeing him? Ridiculous.
No way. Nice job.
How are they figuring it out? They're catching him? What? But how?
Man, we have so much of this invisible ammo now.
Let's combine them all.
We've got to be good shots like before. Remember our training?
We only got one shot.
2, 3. It means that you went to jail. And we're gonna take you to an interrogation.